Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Ledger Nano X. First, unbox your device and connect it using the provided USB-C cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Follow the clear on-screen instructions to set up your new device. Crucially, write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided sheet and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is your only backup. Once your Ledger Nano X is set up, open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can install the specific applications for the cryptocurrencies you want to manage, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After installing the apps, navigate to the Accounts section and add new accounts for your chosen assets. Always confirm the account creation process directly on your Ledger Nano X device for security. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies with your Ledger Nano X is straightforward. To receive funds, select the desired account in Ledger Live and copy its unique address. Always double-check this address on your device screen. To send, choose an account, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Critically, verify all transaction details, including the address and amount, on your Ledger Nano X before confirming the transaction. Security is paramount when using your Ledger Nano X. Never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. It is your master key. Regularly update your device's firmware and the Ledger Live application to ensure optimal security. Always double-check all transaction details on your Ledger Nano X screen before confirming. Finally, use a strong PIN code and keep your physical device in a secure, private location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.